Hello everyone, and welcome to our lesson for today. Today we are going to talk about letters and how letters show sound. The letter T says T.
Materials.
For this lesson, you will need pencil and paper. Remember, if you have that special handwriting paper with the mouse, grab that. If you don't, any line paper will work just fine. There are two learning targets for our lesson today. The first target says, I can show letter sound correspondence for T. And the second target says, I can write vertical lines from top down and horizontal lines from left to right.
Transition song.
All right, get ready to sing the ABC song with me. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the letters we use to read and write. Let's get to know them by sound and by sight. Nice job singing with me.
Word work.
The T sound that we hear at the beginning of the word turn is shown in the middle of the picture of the word turn. This is the word turn. Do you recognize the T in the word turn? Right, it's the T that's hidden in our picture of the turn. It makes the T sound like in the word turn. Do you have a T in your name that makes the T sound? Just like my friend Talia? If you do, that means that your name makes the T sound, just like Talia. Nice job.
Writing.
Do you remember the word teapot from our first lesson? The word teapot makes the T sound, just like in turn. The T has two straight lines. Let's practice skywriting our letter T. Remember, when we skywrite, we use our finger up in the air to write our letters. We're going to practice writing our T. When we do our T, we put our finger at the top line and make a straight line down to the bottom line, and then we cross right there on the belly line, right across, and that's a horizontal line. Let's try one more time. Take our finger, we go straight down, making a vertical line, and then we pick our pencil or our finger back up, and we go across, making a horizontal line, crossing our T. And we have two straight lines. Thanks for skywriting the letter T with me. Now let's try our handwriting paper. Do you remember the word teapot from our first lesson? The word teapot makes the T sound for the letter T. The letter T has two straight lines. One going from top to bottom, that's called vertical, and one going across, that's called horizontal. Watch as I skywrite these two lines to make the letter T. Top to bottom, vertical line, going across, horizontal line to cross the T. Now let's practice skywriting together. When we skywrite the letter T, there are the numbers 1 and 2 there to help us when we make our horizontal line. Ready? Our fingers are up, and we're going to start at the top line and drag our line down to the bottom line, and that makes our vertical line. And then when we make our horizontal line, we come up to that number 1 and go across to the number 2 to make the vertical line. And that's how we make our letter T. Nice work. Now you try. All right, now let's try practicing on our handwriting paper. Let's get our fingers ready. We're going to put our finger at the top line and drag it past the belly line all the way to the foot line. Pick our finger up, come to the belly line, and cross right there from left to right. Let's try one more time. Fingers at the top line, drag it past the belly line all the way to the foot line. Then take our finger back to the middle of the belly line and cross right there from left to right. And we just made our lowercase t. Awesome work.
Closing reflection.
All right, it's time to reflect on our lesson for today. And I have one question that I want you to think about. What is a letter? Right, a letter makes a sound and it can help us to write words. Nice job thinking. Try writing horizontal lines, just like we did with the letter T. Thank you for learning with me today and helping to write the letter T, those 2 straight lines. I hope you had fun and I will see you next time. Bye.